Is your Windows 11 PC taking forever to start? Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'll show you 4 steps that can speed up your startup and you don't need any extra software. Hey friends, welcome to Simple Fix Tech. Today I will talk about one of the most frustrating PC problems. And that is slow Windows startup. I'll show you how you can fix it right now, and by the end of this video your PC should start noticeably faster. Step 1. Stop apps from automatically starting Windows. The reason behind this is that every app that loads during startup makes your PC take longer to boot. Here's how to disable them. Right-click and open the Task Manager. Select Startup tab. You'll see a list of apps with an impact column. Apps with high impact are the main culprits slowing your PC. Right-click the ones you don't need at startup and choose Disable. Apps that are safe to disable are game launchers, communication apps, music and other media apps e.g. Spotify. Don't worry because you are not uninstalling them, only stopping them from running automatically. You can still open them anytime. Step 2. Turn on Fast Startup. This is a Windows feature that helps your PC boot faster by saving system information to a file, so it doesn't fully reload everything each time. This is how you do it. Go to Control Panel or press Windows+S. Go to Power Options and choose what the power buttons do. Change settings that are currently unavailable at the top. Check Turn on Fast Startup Recommended and save changes. Without Fast Startup, Windows reloads all system files from scratch. With it enabled, your PC can boot in half the time in many cases. Step 3. Remove temporary files that slow down your PC. Temporary files are created by Windows and apps, and over time they can pile up and slow startup. Here's the safe way to clear them. Press Windows+R, type temp and hit enter. A folder will open with all the temporary files. Select and delete the ones you don't need. Some files might be in use, just skip those. These files aren't needed for Windows to start, so removing them speeds things up slightly and frees up disk space. Step 4. Switch to a high-performance plan. By default, Windows may prioritize battery or energy saving, which can slow startup. Here's how to fix it. Go to Settings, select System, select Power and Battery and select Power Mode and choose Best Performance. This helps in that your PC will prioritize speed over energy efficiency. This gives your CPU more power during startup, which makes Windows load faster. After all the steps, restart your PC so that all the changes made may take effect. And that's it friends, I have gone over the 4 steps needed to speed up your Windows 11 startup. From 1. Disable unnecessary startup apps. 2. Enable fast startup. 3. Clear temporary files. 4. Adjust power settings for performance. Which of the following steps did you start implementing so as to increase your Windows 11 startup? Let me know in the comments down below. If this helped, hit the like button. Comment below if your PC starts faster now, and follow Simple Fix Tech for more easy PC fixes. I post simple step-by-step tutorial that save you time and frustration.